Alright guys, with the year 2021 coming to an end, IRCC has yet again come out with another express entry draw, and this time 746 invitations have been sent out to people who have been invited for a Canadian PR. Now what are the details of this express entry draw is the main topic of the day. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we move any further, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you are an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is the channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. So guys, what we're discussing today is the famous and the very important express entry draws. Now I know a lot of people have been waiting for these FSW and the Canadian Experience Class draws, and for the past 8 draws that have happened, a lot of people have been waiting for these two categories to come out. But yet again, December 22nd, which is today actually in Canada, IRCC has held yet another express entry draw, and as the 8th consecutive time, the draw again has happened for a PNP program. Now the CRS cutoff was kept at 720, where 746 invitations were sent out to people inviting them for a Canadian PR. Now guys, I'm sure all of you have the same question which has been repetitively pointed out in the comment section as well. Sahil, when is the FSW and the CEC draw going to happen? Guys, we are also as anxious as you are because we are also waiting for all of our clients, and more than anybody, we want the draws to be out very soon. As per IRCC, the internal memo has clearly stated that IRCC has held back FSW and CEC draws for some time while they are clearing the backlogs of the express entry or the permanent residence files, which has been there with them for quite a lot of time. If you need more details on that, the 1.8 million backlog video is the one that you must be seeing, and you can come back to continue this video. Now, what IRCC says is that they are trying to clear the backlog of the permanent residence files, and once they clear that, or at least they reduce it to half, then they should be moving ahead with the normal processing timeline of 6 months of an express entry file, right? So they first want to get rid of the previous backlog, then focus on bringing in more people from within Canada or maybe outside Canada in a part of the express entry draws. What they'd also said that for 2021, they will not be sending out any more invitations under these two programs, the FSW and the CEC, but they might resume the draws of FSW and CEC in the year 2021 with the condition that they are able to reduce the backlog, right? Any updated information with regards to this will definitely be shared with you in these videos, and if you want to be a part of them, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel all the time. Guys, I really wish all of these 746 people who have been invited under the PNP draw a very all the best, and for everybody else, guys, wish you a very good luck. I really hope that you guys get your PR really soon, and especially the deserving ones too. Guys, if you have any questions, if you want to discuss your case, please feel free to drop in a message on the number on the screen. Details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Once again, I wish you all the best, and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.